Happy Navaratri to everyone. We are going to make 9 different face masks today. Hi, I'm Kajol. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. This face masks are easy to make and you can store it for a long time without any kinds of preservatives here. Festive seasons are coming, so we are going to make this face mask into 3 categories. One is soothing and another one is brightening, next one is exfoliating. We have 3 different formulations for each category. Full formulation, how to use it, when to use it, and all the details are mentioned in the caption, so check out below. So let's get into the making. This clay mask is the best self-care routine. You can do it for yourself. You can use this face mask in your body, in your feet as well as. If you're new to my channel, this channel is all about how to craft your own formulations backed by science. I will share my experiments and take-ons here and how to formulate your own cosmetics from skincare, soap and more DIYs also coming soon. So subscribe to my channel guys. These are the 3 soothing face masks. You can mix it with simple water or you can add any kinds of rose water, curd or milk and you apply to your face and wash it off after 10 to 15 minutes. Now we can make our exfoliating face mask. Here for exfoliating purpose, I am using grounded flowers because it has a nice aroma and it is very gentle. We are using grounded rose here and I also have a chamomile and hibiscus in the further formulation. We made 3 different exfoliating face masks here. You can use this face mask or you can also use as a body powder or you can use it as a scrub for your feet. These are the brightening face mask. I am using licorice powder here for that brightening effect and also with other clays that also has benefits. If you wanted to make this face mask at home, wondering where to buy the raw materials, then check out the description box. I have been purchased the clays from Surya Naturals. I have been using them for 3 years now. I loved their quality. If you wanted to buy clays and powders, you can check out their website. Link is in the description box. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to comment down. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and support my channel. If you wanted to see how I am using this face mask, then follow me on Instagram. I will show you there how I personally use this face mask in my stories. And also share it with your besties so you both can rock in this festival season. Happy Navaratri to everyone. Thank you. Happy formulating.